Inflation sentiment has dipped to minus 0.60, marking a notable shift from our historical baseline, where sentiment typically hovers above zero. This drop hints at growing concerns around price stability, which is particularly striking given that momentum has remained flat at plus 0.00 over the last 24 hours. With 20 semantic clusters driving this sentiment, you can dig deeper into the specific factors influencing these perceptions. What does this mean for you? Our API returns comprehensive sentiment data that can enhance your financial models and decision-making processes. For instance, you could integrate this sentiment analysis into your trading algorithms to preemptively adjust positions based on public sentiment shifts. Ready to leverage this insight? Check out the documentation at pulsebit.loj enterprise.com/docs.